Hi everybody, it is Matthew of Mr. Domestic here at the Fat Quarter Shop Studio to let y'all know about this amazing product called Terial Magic. When I first learned about it, it blew my mind. Essentially, any kind of potential paper craft that you would do using this product, now you can use fabric for the same thing. So I'm going to show you how it works. It comes in a spray bottle, and you'll need some kind of bowl. And you'll need a piece of fabric. This is from my new catch and release collection. Fish, cute. So you just put this in the bowl and you'll spray it. Gotta turn it on first. Boom, it comes out in a stream. And don't be stingy with it because you want to fully saturate it, right? So once this is fully saturated and you feel that it's saturated, bring it out a little bit, not too much. And then what you're gonna do is take this, once you've put the Terial Magic on all of your fabric and made sure that it's fully saturated, you're gonna take this somewhere and hang it. I have clips in my sewing room that I just put it on. So I'll just take that and I'm gonna hang it, and once it's dry, I'll come back. So now that I've let this dry per the instructions on the bottle, I have in my sewing space an ironing surface dedicated just to Terial Magic because some of the residue will get on it. You might not want it on your other fabric. So now that it's here, I'm going to take an iron. Ooh. And this is a trick that I do. What I do is I start it out with steam just so that the fabric gets used to the heat of the iron. And once it's used to it, then I turn the steam off to let it continue to dry. And you keep doing this. Gently, you're ironing, not pressing. You want to flatten this fabric out until it gets dry. So I'm just going to keep doing this until I'm going to go ahead and flip it. It should not crystallize it like sometimes heavy starch would do with the iron. It shouldn't crystallize it if you follow the instructions and let it fully dry. So keep doing this. I see that it's starting to dry. Wait till you see this. Blow your mind. Ooh, yeah. Are you ready? Are you ready? Are you ready? Boom. Look, it's now paper. Right? This is crazy. I can fold it like origami. I've done origami with it. It folds like paper. It's no longer fabric. With the Terial Magic on it, it doesn't fray. You can do lots of stuff with it. Boom, look. Created a square, ta-da! So definitely use this with your kids, with yourself, I love it with ornaments, I love it with origami stuff. You can think of a number of probably uses that I can't even think of, so make sure to leave those in the comments and then we can all explore this amazing product together because it's blown my mind and definitely opened up how I can use fabric. So hopefully you enjoyed Terial Magic and use it. If you like this video, make sure to subscribe to the Fat Quarter Shop YouTube channel, Mr. Domestic YouTube channel. Go find me, M-I-S-T-E-R, and make sure to get some Terial Magic so we can play together.